Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar price made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Ultimate Oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 3.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
China lashed out at a $52 billion program to expand American chip making, saying the landmark blueprint contains elements that violate fair market principles and targets Beijing's own efforts to build a semiconductor industry. Colombia has taken a giant step to boost its participation in crypto activities. The government has commenced plans to launch a central bank digital currency to improve the country's payment infrastructure. The dollar was on the front foot minutes after the Federal Reserve's July meeting pointed to US interest rates staying higher for longer to bring down inflation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. The Portuguese current account balance at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.